Hey guys, welcome to Tech Insight Pro. Today we're learning how to write text behind the object on Adobe Photoshop 2022. Let's start it. Open your photo. Which photo you want to text behind the object. Then write some text and positioning your text where you want to see your text. Then go to layer panel and click keyboard shortcut Ctrl J for Windows, Command J for MacBook. Your layer is coffee. Then in this layer go to the upper on the front layer. Then go to the object selection tool. Click on object, a photo or another object. Your object is selected. Then create a layer mask. Text behind the object. Then create a clipping mask. Then blending option. Click on drop shadow and design drop shadow like me, or if you want to change another option you can do it. Thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe.